Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a dessert that is sheer khurma, which is specially made during festival. Let's check out the ingredients first. We need almonds, cashew, pista, vermicelli, cardamom. Let us fry the dry fruits in 2 tablespoons ghee. You can add your favorite dry fruits also. Roast it until it turns golden brown in low flame. Once it's roasted, add vermicelli and fry for 2 minutes. Now switch the gas to high flame and add water, then milk. Add cardamom. You can add saffron as well for texture and flavor. Add sugar according to the taste. Boil it for about 15 minutes. Add pinch of salt. Finally add 1/4 tablespoon ghee on the top and mix it. Delicious dessert is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. For more such recipes, subscribe Tummy Time.